To turn on or turn off Bluetooth Ringtone Sync in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, toward the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, select connections, and then tap Bluetooth, tap Bluetooth more icon or three dot icon, and then select advanced. Then on ringtone, tap switch until blue to turn on Bluetooth ringtone signs, or tap switch until gray to turn off. Disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth device. If you tap OK, Bluetooth will be automatically turned off and on again. Reconnect your Bluetooth device to play ringtone. Tap OK if you sure. Use your phone ringtone when you get calls on connected Bluetooth devices. Tap switch until Bluetooth turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.